making it here. O, diba? Wala pang nakakabigit palakpak dyan. Napakatipid naman ang palakpak niyo. Hindi na ako maabot sa 50th anniversary. And it is a blessing indeed to have you here, to have everyone here. Okay? Ibig sabihin, malalakas pa tayo. Bakit nyo tititignan ng katabi nyo? Tapos, hindi lang yon. Ang mga waistlines ng mga babae, tayo mga girls, stand up for ladies. Tayo mga ladies, tingnan natin, ang mga waistline natin noon, 22, 23, 24. Diba? Oh, yung iba, maintain naman. Yung iba, kasi mayaman na, kaya makikita sa katawan. Okay? Yung mga crushes natin, naalala niyo ba yung mga crushes? Yan na ang edad natin ngayon. Okay? So before we proceed, just a little announcement, a quick announcement. So hindi nakalagay dyan sa ating program yung serving of food. Dahil tubig lang tayo ngayon. Hindi, joke lang. Meron tayo. Hindi lang
sa ating lahat. I'm happy na nagkita-kita tayo after 50 years. Limang dekada after 50 years. Okay, kahit may tumayo, tayo pray. Sa our heads, let the Lord presence bawat isa bawin our heads ito sa lakas. Lord, Panginoon, salamat po sa magandang hapon na inyong pinagkaloob sa amin at kaming mga klase, schoolmate ng class 1976. 50 years ago, nag-graduate nila at kakatipon sa lugar na ito upang mag-reminis, magkaroon ng kapan, nag-fellowship at mag-focus lang. Salamat po after 5 decades we have survived even.
To the distinguished members of Batch 1976, headed by Sir Antonio Cruz, it is a profound honor to welcome you back to the halls of. You walked across the stage with your diplomas at hand, ready to face the world that was yours to share. And today, nagbalik po kayo, not just as an alumni, but as the living legacy. It represents first the enduring connections. The friendships forged in the classrooms and corridors have survived the test of time of 5 decades. Also, it represents a shared history. You were the class that navigated the mid-70s, as I have seen in your attires today. Laying the groundwork for the generations of students who have followed in your footsteps. Communities are a source of immense pride for your alma mater. 5 decades of legacy. Noon, you were the dreamers, navigating your days in the start of your professional journey. Ngayon, you are the pillars. From the streets of Pasay to the corners all over the globe, your diverse paths have collectively built the legacy, have shifted, and the technology have certainly changed. The spirit of Southeastern College remains constant because of people like you. You are the bridge between our storied past and our bright future. As we look forward to our own 80th founding anniversary, we draw inspiration from your resilience and your continued commitment to one another. So today, on this very special occasion, I encourage everyone to look past the gray hair and the years gone by. See the classmates you have or you knew in 1976. Share the stories that only you, at kayo lang po ang may alam, laugh at the old jokes, and of course, honor the memory of those who are celebrating with us even in spirit. Batch 1976, unang-una po, congratulations for your anniversary. Maligayang pagbabalik po sa inyong tahanan. Your gold shines brighter than ever. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Sir John Carlo. Nung sinabi ng maligayang pagbabalik sa inyong tahanan, I was really have this goosebumps. No? Talagang Okay, thank you for your motivating words and your hands together to our very own Tony M. Cruz. Ayun, alive na alive. Yan ang gusto ko, nakakabingin pa lang pa, may sigaw pa. Let's do it again, Mr. Tony Cruz.
Mamaya ka na sa Sochumi. Hindi ako serious sa akin. Kunin ko. Imagine that after 50 years, in a span of 2 weeks, dalawang beses ako nag-speak sa Southeastern. Mr. Giancarlo Moreno, head of the Administrative Services of Southeastern College, and my fellow Golden. One very momentous celebration of our batch 50th year. And we are indeed very fortunate and blessed to be around to nurture this moment, which also coincided with our school's 80th founding. Mayroong awit ang iiwanan sa ating alaala dahil tayo'y laging magkasama. Mabuhay pa sa 1976! Mabuhay ang Southeastern College! Magandang hapon sa inyo.
Sa aming 50th anniversary. And here we are now, although yun nga sabi ni Lloyda, who cannot be with us at this point. So, para lang tayong Oscar Awards, meron tayong in memorial part of them. So when we celebrate reuniting again after several years, at this point, we would like us to remember the friends, the batchmates that we met during the 4 years that we were in high school who have gone ahead for us. So, let us remember in our hearts the fond memories of our youth spent with them. Yung list at saka yung video na papakita namin, hindi siya kompleto. Does not include yung iba na hindi namin alam kasi yung iba na nababalitaan namin, post sa Facebook na contact namin, or yung mga iba na some point na i-chat, like ganun pang kumako just this week. Yun lang yung mga kasama.
Partner. Okay, ready na ba? Scissor, and this is paper. So when I say bato, pick, you just have to, whether scissor or paper or rock. Okay? So here's palakpakan naman natin si Agnes. Sino ang partner ni Agnes? Sige, paningayin muna natin si Agnes. Upo ka muna kasi magkano yan eh. Okay. Nagbigay na si Dan. Thank you, Dan. Okay, si Dan na ulit. Sige. Pag sinabing partner, face your partner. Okay? Pagdating sa pin, tsaka yung ilalabas. Okay? Sasampo na namin, ha? Baba. Tumigil ka muna dyan. Okay. Bato. Pick. Ready? Bato. Nasa likod. Ang kamay. Hindi pa. Practice lang. Tingnan lang kami kung paano. Okay, ready? Oo. Kita agad. Sa likod. Ayan, Oo. Okay. Ready? Susan! Bato. Pick. Ayan. Ganon. Okay. Gets. Okay, practice. Kahit dalawa. Practice. Practice muna kayo. Okay na kayo? Game na? Alright. Sige. Face your partner. Ready? Go! Bato, pick! Okay! Lahat your hand. Okay? Okay? Sige, ready? Go! Bato, pick! May tabla ba? May tabla? Okay, yung tabla.
Kailanman, nasaan man ikaw ang pangarap ko. Makuha ko ba kaya ang hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya'y ibigin mo. Kahit maputi naman. Hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya'y ibigin mo. Kahit hindi na ang buhay ko. Hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Panahon namin, parang ngayon, ito hindi. Hanapin ko ang pag-ibig mo. Pag-nalayo sa'yo, hahanapin ko ang hanapan mo na kahit saan ako. Hahanapin ko umaga, tanghali, gabi, araw mo, paglalayo sa'yo. Hahanapin ko dagat at buwan ng karangan at ulan. Hahanapin sa timog hilaga, kanluran. Hahanapin sa pag-ibang bayan. Hahanapin sa pag-ibang bayan. Thank you!
Kita mo, si Mingorio Sinato. Okay? Sino pa dyan na naka-jacket or naka-blazer? Natin. Alam mo, natatakot ako dito. Pag naman tumugtog, parang yung awa. Pag naman kayo mga buti tayo nakaupo eh. Sumasayaw. Ayan, I'm still standing. Okay. I'm still standing. Woo!
Tingin dito.
Manifested the Dekada 72. One male, one female. Kita ang mga
Hi! Good afternoon. I'm Agnes Laguna. Agnes Laguna. From Taguig City.
fashion show. O tama nga pala, o dito, fashion show. Okay, go! Next candidate. Nagpapira na po.
Hello po, Ani Castillo Agoncillo. From Dasmariñas, Cavite.
Okay, rampa. Ayun, rampa na yun yan. Okay, next candidate. Rampa muna bago magsalita. Okay, go! Rampa.
Hello, classmates, schoolmates. I'm Tess Garcia ng Caleon from Bacoor, Cavite.
From head to foot or from face lang? Panalo na yung sa face yung wala ka na sinasabi. Ano? Dekada 70. Outfit. Okay. Let's call them number one is Agnes. Jackson. Laguna.
Good evening po. Joker talaga ako. Ako yung pinaka-playboy sa amin, so ganito attitude ko. Pero sa totoong buhay, andyan ako. At saka maraming salamat to sa pag-invite mo sa amin. Thank you, everyone.
Bye-bye. Good night. Good night. Okay, next candidate. We have to have a few minutes lang ha. Kasi time check, it's 5:25. When we exceed,
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Batch. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ay si Susan. Siguro naman kilala niyo na ako. Ngayon, I was so excited sa pagdalo dito dahil alam mo na dahil 50 natin since na tayo yung graduate. So, I'm so glad na nakita ko pa ulit kayo at blessed na blessed tayong lahat sa magandang binigay ni Lord na magandang buhay, wonderful life, healthy life. So, wala naman akong ibang masasabi kundi I'm very, very happy to see you all and I love you all. Thank you.
thank you sa iyong State of the Nation address, Ms. Susan. Next candidate, Miss Chano Salazar Flores.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Happy 50th anniversary po natin. Kaya ko no? Kaya ko. Salamat po.
Palakpakan natin si Chato. Next candidate. Ayan. Miss Tess Garcia Calderon. Woo!
Magandang gabi ulit. Ang nakatayo
May napipili na ba tayo, mga kababayan? And next candidate, all the way from Miss Johnson. Perfect.
Hello everyone! Kumusta po kayo lahat? Natutuwa po ako kasi nakita po kayo lahat.
Speak in English.
Talaga salamat ako sa Diyos dahil we're still together. I'm from Ontario, Canada, where you can see frosted snow on the ground, minus 40 sometimes. Kaya, ano kami,
Tayong lahat ngayon. At sabi nga ni Tato, salamat Tato pinalakas mo yung kami kung nandito ngayon. Samantalahin nyo na yan kasi nung high school tayo, walang ganyan. Kaya nakaka-bless po, andito tayo to enjoy. Kaya good evening and God bless everyone. I'm Annie from Dasmariñas, Cavite.
There you have it, our ladies, candidates for the Kada 70, ano ba? Edad 70. Hindi. Okay. Sige, let's go to the main. Okay. Candidate number 1, Mr. Iggy, all the way from Australia. Iggy, stops. Here he is. Dance, go, dance. Okay. Say something.
My name is Ignis, and Iggy's my nickname. But
Binulong niya sa akin, but I was just forced to stand up there by my parents, you see? Okay, let's give a round of applause to Iggy! Okay, great. How about a round of applause to our walang kakumpas-kumpas na singer? Wala siyang kumpas talaga, wala nang ikukumpas pala. Walang iba, kundi si Master Eka Miranda.
Macho, ano tayo? Magandang hapon sa lahat. Umabot tayo ng 50, no? Sarap naman. Sana 75, abutin pa natin. Masaya rin. Laki sa nayo, Jeffro, Edgar Miranda. From
Okay, thank you, Mike Hadapon. And of course, let's welcome Mr. Del Season.
Halo pengarep, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Ted Sison from Cavite City.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. All right, and last but not the least, Mr. Jack Pacificador.
Hi, good afternoon, I'm Jack. Thank you for inviting me here. Thank you. Please vote for me.
Okay, sige, candidates, you may now sit down. For the photo. Kanino ko bibigay ang pera? Picture muna tayo, ha? After this, Tapos, we'll change our t-shirts na pwedeng ipatong nyo na lang. Alright. Okay, female muna. Hello! Asan yung mga candidates natin kanina? Dekada 70. Best. Hello! Nandiyan pa ba kayo? Wait lang. Upo muna. Upo. Opo. Muna. Okay. Our winner for Dekada 70 Best Dressed Male, lalaki to, award. We have a tie. And this is in as much as 2,000 pesos to. Yung dalawa ay maghahati tag 1,000 pesos.
Delta Season and Ege Miranda.
Bells.
Asan si Pres?
Asan si Pres?
May...
Dekada 70 Best Dressed Female Award goes to Jandaran
Tess Garcia.
Tess Garcia Calion. Asan si Tess Garcia Calion?